Some ideas sound too bold to be real, like apps that build themselves just from what you type. Not a prototype, not a sketch, an actual decentralized app hosted on-chain and ready to go. That's the promise behind Caffeine AI, but while it's still in the works, Google's Firebase studio has quietly stepped in with something that actually works now. Today, we are looking at how both approaches shape the future of app development and whether Caffeine can catch up before Firebase takes the spotlight. Quick side note, if you would like to support independent crypto coverage, you can now donate to Ledger Life. Wallet details are in the description. Let's get into it. The concept was ambitious, were applications that generate themselves, full-stack decentralized apps crafted from simple prompts, all hosted on-chain with the robust security of Byzantine fault tolerance. Caffeine AI was envisioned as the catalyst to propel the ICP ecosystem forward, offering a transformative approach to web development. Yet, as time has passed, anticipation has given way to a palpable eagerness for its arrival. In the interim, Google introduced Firebase Studio. It's an AI-driven platform enabling users to build applications without extensive coding knowledge. Integrated with Gemini AI, Firebase Studio facilitates the journey from concept to deployment using natural language inputs and intuitive design tools. Its seamless integration and user-friendly interface have made it an attractive option for developers seeking efficiency. Caffeine AI, however, remains on the horizon. It's a vision yet to materialize. The promise of a self-writing internet is a decentralized space where applications not only function but evolve, which continues to captivate the community. Understandably, some members have expressed frustration over the delay, seeking clarity on the project's progress. The Definity Foundation, responsible for Caffeine AI, has acknowledged these sentiments and is committed to enhancing communication and transparency. Discussions within the community have touched upon various factors influencing the timeline. Some speculate that the final unlocking of venture capital tokens in May play a role, suggesting that strategic financial planning could be a contributing factor. Additionally, the introduction of the CAF token has sparked conversations about its integration within the ICP ecosystem and potential benefits for existing stakeholders. Proposals for mechanisms such as airdrops to ICP holders have been suggested to ensure equitable distribution and maintain community trust. But underneath the cautious optimism lies a growing appreciation of what Caffeine could offer if executed well. Unlike conventional app builders that merely streamline front-end development, Caffeine AI reimagines the entire web development experience. It's not about spinning up another to-do list app. This is about sovereign infrastructure. With Caffeine AI, users will eventually be able to deploy truly decentralized applications directly on the internet computer. These aren't just apps hosted on a blockchain, they are governed by it. Think censorship-resistant social networks, financial tools where the rules are encoded rather than enforced by platforms, or autonomous governance layers where smart contracts evolve based on natural language input. These apps will be owned and updated by their communities, not central entities. Non-technical creators are a major part of the vision. No-code interfaces powered by Caffeine will enable artists, activists, and entrepreneurs to spin up dApps, DAOs, and NFT marketplaces with simple commands. No Solidity tutorials, no DevOps juggling act. Just describe what you want and let the system handle the plumbing. This is permissionless innovation at its boldest. Want to prototype a token economy? Just ask. Need to launch a self-executing grant system governed by token holders? Caffeine aims to do that too. Whether it's managing on-chain workflows, setting up reward mechanics, or deploying AI agents that update autonomously, Caffeine leans into the decentralized ethos. Compare that to Firebase Studio. It's polished, it's sleek, and it works today. The tools are unified, cross-platform, and designed with mainstream adoption in mind. Firebase lets developers build AI-powered mobile or web apps with natural language prompts and a smorgasbord of templates. A chatbot here, a recommendation engine there, it's already out of the box. What Firebase does particularly well is scale. Its serverless backends let you deploy real-time databases and authentication layers without touching infrastructure. It's hooked into the Google Cloud machine. Gemini models offer seamless text image processing, translation, smart replies, and more. You get crash reporting, A/B testing, ad monetization, and enterprise-grade analytics baked in. Firebase isn't just a playground, it's the full toolkit for developers chasing scale, performance, and user engagement. So it's not really a fair fight yet. One platform is finished, the other is still brewing. But it's not just about timelines, it's about different philosophies. Firebase Studio is part of the traditional tech stack, centralized, efficient, and Google branded. Caffeine AI is taking its claim on Web3 territory. It offers not just tools but an ideology, one that prioritizes digital ownership, transparency, and open innovation. And while Firebase might win on convenience, it won't win on sovereignty. No matter how seamless the AI integrations or how quick the deployment pipeline, it's still Google's platform. Your app lives there by their rules. Caffeine, when it lands, promises something radically different. An ecosystem where the users hold the keys, the apps evolve on-chain, and the data is never at the mercy of third-party terms of service. Still, dreams don't build themselves, even with AI. For Caffeine to make the leap from vision to product, a few things need to happen quickly. First, a working demo. Developers don't wait for manifestos, they wait for tools. Even a limited beta would help shift the narrative from delay to anticipation. Second, consistent updates. The community has shown immense patience, but the silence is deafening. A clear roadmap, even one with caveats, would be better than radio silence. Third, clarity around the CAF token. What does it do? Who gets it? How does it enhance the ICP ecosystem rather than dilute it? These are fair questions and they deserve clear answers. Finally, ICP needs to own its edge. Decentralization isn't their crutch, it's a differentiator. Fault-tolerant hosting, sovereign identities, censorship resistance. These are the ingredients of something Firebase can't replicate, but they need to be part of the user experience, not just bullet points on a website. There is still excitement in the community. Maybe not the sugar rush buzz of the early announcement, but a more grounded, mature optimism. The belief that good things take time, the hope that the delay might mean they are building something worth waiting for. Caffeine doesn't have to be Firebase. It just needs to be Caffeine. The decentralized world doesn't need another centralized clone. It needs tools that do what only blockchain native systems can. Tools that are transparent, open, and radically user owned. Coffee doesn't stay hot forever. But if Caffeine AI can finally serve up what it's been brewing, there is still time for a bold, energizing comeback. So that's where things stand. Firebase is already delivering and Caffeine is still lauding. Whether the decentralized dream catches up or not, one thing is clear. The race between convenience and sovereignty is just getting started. If you have enjoyed this or learned something new, consider donating to Legend Life. Details are in the description. It helps us keep covering stories that aren't just part of the feed but part of the future. Catch you soon.